Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear learners, good wishes to you all. I hope you are well by the grace of the Almighty Allah. Now I am going to take an online video class. You will observe it carefully. My lesson identity and my identity. I am Mohammad Mukhtar Hussain, Assistant Teacher English, Islamia High School, Tepamadupur, Kaunia, Rangpur. Class 10, Subject English Second Paper, Unit 9, Lesson 5. Look at the projector screen. What can you see here? Surely you can see a note of interrogation. Look at the sentences and notice the sentences. Carefully observe that every sentence has an interrogative questions at the end, which is called tag question. Our today's lesson, tag question. Learning outcomes. At the end of the lesson, we will be able to define of questions tag, identify tag questions and tag operators, use of different tags. Look at the screen. You can see that a horse is running. The horse is running, isn't it? In this sentence, isn't it a tag question? The scenery is very beautiful in the second picture. The scenery is very beautiful, isn't it? Here tag question, isn't it? Definition of tag question. Tag question is a special grammatical structure. It is a statement followed by a tag or mini question. Rules for positive tag with helping verb. Structure. The given sentence plus comma plus n apostrophe t plus subject plus note of interrogation. You are a student. The tag question will be, aren't you? They are going to school. The tag question, aren't they? He is going to school, isn't he? In this way, we can make different tag questions. You will observe that if the statement is affirmative, the tag question will be negative, and if the statement is positive, the tag question will be negative. If the statement is negative, the tag question will be positive. Rules for positive tags without auxiliary verb. He reads a book. In this sentence, there is no auxiliary verb. But according to the tense, we have to use a use an auxiliary verb. He reads a book. This is our statement. It is in the present indefinite tense. So we have used auxiliary verb does. He reads a book. The question will be, doesn't he? I saw him yesterday. The question is, didn't I? But my question is, why we wrote didn't I? Notice that in this sentence the verb saw is in the past indefinite tense. So we have used did, and the question is didn't I. They play cricket. Don't they? The question, don't they? Why we use do? Because in this sentence the verb play is in the present indefinite tense. So we have used auxiliary verb do, and the tag question, don't they? Negative tag question structure. The given sentence plus comma plus auxiliary verb plus subject. Vishal is not a bad student. Is he? In this sentence the verb is. So we have to make the tag question using is. Vishal is not a bad student. Is he? They are not going to school, are they? They will not go to school, will they? In this way, we can make many tag questions. Tag form. We have to use don't instead of do not. We cannot use do not in the tag question. We have to use don't. In this way, doesn't instead of does not. Didn't instead of did not. Aren't is used instead of am not. Isn't is used instead of is not. Aren't is used instead of are not. Wasn't is used instead of was. Weren't is used instead of were not. Haven't is used instead of have not. Hasn't is used instead of has not. Hadn't is used instead of had not. Won't is used instead of will not. Shan't is used instead of shall not. We cannot say shalln't, but we have to say shan't. Can't is used instead of cannot. Couldn't is used instead of could not. Mayn't is used instead of may not. Mightn't is used instead of might not. Mustn't is used instead of must not. Oughtn't is used instead of ought not. Needn't is used instead of need not. Daren't is used instead of dare not. My dear learners, now we have to notice how we will change subject. In the table you can see in the left hand side subject of a statement, in the right hand side subject of tag. Shuma is the name of a girl or woman, and it is noun, but we have to use pronoun she in tag question to make a tag question. Rana, noun, it is the name of a boy. It is masculine gender, so we have to use pronoun he. In the previous sentence we have noticed that Shuma is a girl, it is feminine gender, so we have used pronoun she. We have to use they instead of everybody. We have to use they instead of everyone. We have to use it instead of everything. We have to use he instead of Allah or God. We have to use pronoun they if all plus noun is in the statement. If in the statement we find all, we have to use pronoun it. First person plus second person plus third person. If the three persons is in the sentences or in the statement, we have to use pronoun we. In the second person and third person, we have to use pronoun you. In the third person plus third person, we have to use they. My dear learners, now follow the examples. Shuma is a girl, isn't she? Rana is a boy, isn't he? Everybody saw you, didn't they? Allah can help me, can't he? Notice we have written he with capital H. Why capital H? It is used for Allah. Everything was lost, wasn't it? All is well, isn't it? All books are useful, aren't they? Runa and Shuma are clever, aren't they? I, you and he are lazy, aren't we? You and he are clever, aren't you? My dear learners, look at the screen. As well, with, together, along with, accompanied by, and not, etc. Two sentences are added. The main verb will be placed according to the first subject. Notice the sentences carefully. Runa as well as Shuma's sisters is present. The take question isn't she. Isn't she. But why isn't she? Isn't has been used according to the subject Runa. As the sentence subject is connected with as well as Suma's sisters, plural numbers. Though plural numbers, we have to use verb is according to Runa. The leader with his mane was present there. The text question is, wasn't he? Why we use he? The subject leader we have used with his mane, but we have to use the pronoun according to subject leader. Shumon and his brothers has to go to market. Hasn't he? Though subject is Shumon and not his brothers, but we have to use pronoun according to Shumon. Though brothers plural number, but we have to use pronoun he according to Shumon singular number. Again I say, Shumon and not his brothers has to go to market. Hasn't he? If neither, seldom, rarely, hardly, scarcely, barely, few, little, never, nobody, no one, nothing, none, etc. The statement is negative. In this case, the tag will be affirmative. He hardly comes here. Does he? Why we did not use negative form not? Because hardly indicates negative sense. Neither of them came. The question is, did they? He has few friends. Has he? A working dog seldom bites. Does he? My dear learners, notice that if you see that in the statement hardly, few, seldom, you cannot use negative tag question. You have to use positive tag question. Let's practice now. Nobody comes here. I have few friends. Milk is scarcely found in the market. Nothing is impossible. Sentence A is negative sentence. Nobody comes here. Nobody comes here, tag question, don't they? I have few friends. Have I? Milk is scarcely found in the market. Is it? Nothing is impossible. The question is it? My dear learners, home activities. Everybody loves flowers. Everyone has a computer. He does not go to school. No one was there. I have a few friends. You will practice these sentences at home. See you again. আল্লাহ হাফেজ।